Alright, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about my new start about JavaScript, algorithm, and data structure on FreeCodeCamp. This is a new journey of my coding path. So I finished the last journey about responsive web design, which is the first course, big section course on FreeCodeCamp. So, and this is the second big section about programming. I will talk about several projects that I made at the beginning of this journey. So there are a total of 3 of them. And the first one is building a pyramid generator. And the second one is build grade book app, which is you can give teachers this app to help them to help them manage the students' grades and calculate averages or average, something like that. And the third one, which is the last one, is about a role-playing game, which is a small simple game just using words and combined with the HTML and CSS, what I've learned in the last in the responsive web design courses. Alright, so let's just get right into it. Alright, so this right here, this is the pyramid generator, which generates, of course, pyramid. So this is it teaches you basic concepts about JavaScript, like variables and console.log to display things, and arrays and for loop and if else statements. Yeah, those are the main things that is featured in this course. So basically this is what the outcome looks like, a pyramid. Alright, so the second little project is about a grade app which can help teacher to grade their students. Like if you input some numbers or some scores, it will give you like A, B, C, D, E, F and A++. So, and class average, like here, class average, and the student failed or passed the course. So like here, this is the total score, and this is student score is 37, so it's below 60, so it's apparently failed. So by building this function, the student's MSG, you can tell whether a student's status is passed or failed, and some info like average and grade. So review some concepts about the last course, the last project. So like it's the same if else statements and some functions stuff. Okay, so the last project here is called a role-playing game, which is like only a couple of words and it's a game. So I think this is the interesting one because it's a game. Alright, so like here, this is the menu about the game. Like you have XP here, health here, gold here. So there are several functions in this game. Like you can go to store and you can buy health, which like this, and you can buy weapon like this, which requires 30 gold. And here it will display what you got in your inventory. Like now I got a stick and dagger, and what I've bought, I bought a dagger. So after I bought that, I will just go back to town square, and you can go to the cave to fight some weird creatures like slime. If I fight, attack, and if the monster died, you will get XP and some gold, and you can go buy stuff. Like go back to town square and buy stuff. Like buy always I'm too poor. So I will go back to the cave and fight the slime again. Alright, so I have now 36 gold. So I can go back and buy a new weapon, and I got plow hammer. Alright, so let's just fight dragon and attack. so I die.
Bruh.
And replay. Okay. I'm gonna show you about the Easter egg. Like if I fight and I attack. Yeah. In dice, and if I click the third, go to town square here, I will come to the Easter egg, like a secret game page, and I can pick one number. If it matches the random number, I will get some gold. So it matches like 8, and here's 8. So it matches, I got 20 gold. Yeah, so that's basically all the functions about this role-playing game. It's a simple game, but I think it's an interesting one. And it also it took a long time. So but I think this game is hard to beat because I've played several times after I finished this project, and I just can't beat the dragon, you know, because it has health about like 300. Alright, so what this project is about is that it teaches you how to like use those concepts you learned previously into this game. It teaches you how to link the JavaScript to HTML and CSS, and by creating some buttons and add some functions here. Actually, this these lines are a bit long. I think this is about how to manage things, because there are so many things in this game. Like you have so many weapons, and you need to put them in an array in order to make them like the player wants to use the most recent, the most powerful weapon, right? So you need to like build an array and put those weapons in it so it can work correctly. Alright, so after building those 3 projects, I now have the basic concept about what JavaScript is. That's for today's video. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you in the next one.